Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing materials and making the first cuts. Use a ruler and pencil to draw a 1x 20 cm shaft on single-layer cardboard and cut cleanly. This gives you a straight, lightweight core. Next, mark the center line and a balance point about 6-7 cm from the tail so you know where to align fins. Finally, draw 3x 4 cm triangular fin shapes and score a light fold line at their bases to help attachment later. Once done with initial cuts, reinforce the shaft by folding it into a tight tube or adding a seam crease for stiffness and secure with tape or glue. This prevents wobble in flight. Position the 3 fins evenly around the tail at roughly 120 degrees, aligning bases with the balance point. Glue one at a time and press until set, then reinforce joints with thin tape. Make small trims and smooth edges so fins are identical. Symmetry matters for straight flight. Finish by forming a pointed nose, fold the front of the shaft or glue a small paper cone, and secure with tape so the dart is aerodynamic. Test throws at 3-5 meters. Watch for spiraling or drifting. If it veers right or left, adjust by bending a single fin a hair, about 2 to 3 degrees, or shift the balance point 2 to 4 millimeters toward the nose to correct yaw. Make small changes and repeat tests until stable flight is achieved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.